Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to read a bedtime story. But remember, at the end of this video, we have a joke. So, it says, Mess Viz Machine. Zari looked around her room. Her parents had asked her to clean up. They said her room was a mess, but Zari couldn't understand why. Look how messy it is. Her hockey stick was by the door. Her favorite sweater was on the floor. Everything was exactly where she wanted it to be. Suddenly, Zari's door squeaked open and Duovac rolled in. Duovac was the most powerful robot vacuum in the world. Duovac must find and remove all messes, Duovac said. Duovac has located the biggest mess. Zari's room is the source of all the messiness. Come on, Zari replied. Come on, Zari replied. It isn't that bad. Mess located. Duovac started vacuuming up everything in Zari's room. It even vacuumed up Zari's favorite sweater. No, not my sweater. No, not my favorite sweater, Zari shouted. And look. No, not my favorite sweater, Zari shouted. And look at the picture. Zari grabbed the sweater and pulled it away from Duovac. But she was too late. You ripped my favorite sweater to shreds, she shouted. Bad Duovac. Go away, Duovac. But Duovac didn't listen. Instead, Duovac spun around in circles and repeated arrow, arrow. Then Duovac stopped spinning, fixing sensors, searching for true source of all messiness. Duovac suddenly turned to Zari. Source of messiness has been located. Source of messiness is Zari. Me? Zari gasped. All of a suddenly, Duovac took off. Must remove source of messiness. Must element Zari. Zari ran. Duovac chased her all around the room and vacuumed up everything in its path. Wait, there was a picture. Look. He got fuller. Zari headed for the door. She was about to escape when she tripped over something. It was her hockey stick. Okay, I probably should have cleaned that up, she said. Duovac was still coming. Duovac must element source of messiness. Must. So what I was saying, Duovac was still coming. Duovac must element source of messiness. Must element Zari. But Duovac was moving much slower now. It had vacuumed up almost everything in Zari's room. It was so full, it looked like it was about to burst. That's when Zari got an idea. Hey, Duovac, she said. I lament this. Zari spun around and tossed Duovac her favorite blanket. Duovac couldn't resist. Look how full he was. Duovac couldn't resist. Swamp! Duovac vacuumed up the blanket, but it was too much. Duovac's motor started to overheat. Its vacuum was completely full. Kaboom! Duovac exploded and blasted the dust all over Zari's room. The dust finally cleared and Zari sighed with a relief. And look what a mess! Now it is a big mess. It was finally over. Duovac had been defeated. Zari was safe. Her room looked messier than ever. Wow, Zari smiled. This looks even better than before. Duovac's motor gave one finally caught, then it shut down for good. Or so Zari thought. The end. But now we're gonna do the joke. So
knock knock. Who's there? Harry. Harry who? Hurry up. It's cold outside.
So guys, what do you think? It's funny, like or this funny?
I'll tell you a new joke tomorrow.
So guys, like and subscribe for more videos like this.